Hi, I'm Jacob Reeder. I'm an application engineer here at Stratasys. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about using additive manufacturing for jigs and fixtures on your factory floor. As I'm sure you're aware, using traditional manufacturing to create your jigs and fixtures is costly. The end parts can be heavy due to the materials that you're using, and they take a long time to build because you're machining all these parts individually. This part was built with about 12 parts. It's solid aluminum welded together. It takes a lot of time to build. Now, with additive manufacturing, we're able to redesign the part to build with 3 components, assemble them together after the fact, and you've got a part that's about half the weight. You're able to create tools in a lot less time, so days instead of weeks. We're able to create parts that require less labor, and we're able to optimize these parts to the operation or operator. Stratasys has a wide range of 3D printers that we manufacture, starting with our F123 series, which is smaller but is extremely easy to use, going up to our F900, which is the largest 3D printer that we manufacture, and it also allows us to utilize all of our material options as well, anywhere from ABS all the way up to our Ultem 9085. One of the great things about our Stratasys workflow is our GrabCAD print software. It simplifies the 3D printing process from native CAD to end part. To recap, Stratasys 3D printing allows you to build jigs and fixtures that cost less, take less time to build, and weigh less.